Okay, I'm gonna open my present to myself, which I already know what it is, but let's shout out to boonsrings.com, little unboxing. Oh, fake unboxing. Anyway, let's open that. Let's see what's in here. How do they box up a rocket that's gonna go to Mars?
Ooh, nice.
Spacex, the final frontier. Oh. Ah. Glass. That would shatter. SpaceX. The rocket.
Oh, that looks so cool.
Yes, but is it useful? It's cool. Okay.
Oh,
Need some fuel.
It's there, but it's just there. You guys just don't even like to use it.
Okay.
We bought this little.
Don't strain to open it the wrong way. It's a backwards thread. It goes that way. The opposite of righty-tighty. Lefty-loosey. Fill up the creme brulee. Fill up the big rocket with methane, except we're using butane. It's 7 times distilled. Oh, 5 times distilled. Wonder why they would need to do that.
Sure you got meats and everything?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a creme brulee flame right there. That is tight. Okay. That's weird. They threaded it on backwards. Everything else is righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. This is righty-loosey. Weird. Okay, don't break your Starship.
This heater. Is this on?
It's a lock, and you can't lock it on. There's the volume. You can't lock it on. And there's that. But what we need to do for creme brulee, everybody gets this wrong. You need to stifle the air intake. This is too sharp a flame for creme brulee. You need more of a. You need more of a soft caressing. It's the Starship, man. And you know why it's this pointy? Because Elon Musk said so. There's a movie where it's called Dictator with Borat. And the movie's like telling the scientists to make the thing pointier. You gotta watch that movie if you haven't seen it. Okay. You're gonna try creme brulee, but really sort of the wrong speed. We need more of a caressing. It's gotta be a blue flame like that, but it's gotta be more of a caressing flame. Fine, let's try it their way. Ignition. Not bad. Actually, kind of works. Creme brulee. Burned cream in French. I guess you do want a good hot flame. Honey, do you want some creme brulee?
Say again?
Do you want some creme brulee?
I do not, thank you.
Can I get a spoon?
I don't care what that.
Who wants to taste my creme brulee?
I'll try it.
Everyone get a spoon that wants to taste it. Okay, we need more than one spoon. You can crack through it.
Oh, nice. Cat.
That's how you do creme brulee, guys. It's like French flan. Okay.
That's so cool.
Did you want your own? Did you want some more?
It's good though. I like it.
Can we have more spoons, honey buns?
In the kitchen.
What? Hello? What just happened?
Sorry, 1 second.
Are you showing off for the camera? Laugh it up. Thanks, buddy. Want to get in there? Like it? Go for it. Plow in there. Just go, yeah. Sammy, do you want to try some creme brulee?
I'm okay. Thank you, Bev.
Okay, it's just sort of French flan with sugar on top, burned.
Oh, they've had creme brulee before.
Yeah.
Honey,
Big game. Six
Oh.
is not a big can of it. Janice, I don't.
it's a little burned,
Huh? I don't.
but it was.
No matter me.
See my rocket? Amy,
That's cool.
I just made a creme brulee with a rocket.
I love creme
Are you impressed?
Oh, wow, that's cool. Yeah.
This
It's
thing's
delicious.
this thing's going to space.
There you go.
Thank you.